Hey everyone, this is Matt Trait. I am currently in the Applied Technology of Education Master's Program here at Wilmington University. I teach at Delcastle Technical High School, which is located in Wilmington, Delaware. I currently teach 10th grade high school phys ed. I also have my certification in health and driver's ed. I've been at Delcastle now for 9 years. That's where I started my teaching career. Prior to obtaining the position in physical education, I was a substitute within the district, primarily at Hodson Votech, one of our sister schools. And it's a little bit interesting because I was a student of Votech. So I've been in the system for a while as a student, seeing it from that side, and now as a teacher, seeing it on this side. Outside of teaching at Delcastle, I also coach college baseball at nearby Goldie Beacon College. We're a Division II program that is actually in the same athletic conference as Wilmington. I've been there for 7 years. We just wrapped up year 6, so we started baseball from scratch, and I've been there from the beginning with our head coach, Tom Riley. For my undergrad degree, I started out at Cecil Community College, where I also played baseball, and then transferred to Wesley College in Dover, Delaware, to finish out my 4-year degree in physical education, health, K through 12. Outside of my professions, my family life, I'm married. My wife Mallory and I have 2 beautiful children. Braden, who is 3, he will be 4 in August, and our newborn daughter Ryan, who was born in April. Both of those keep us pretty busy, but outside of spending time with family, we like to do anything outdoors, whether it's fishing, hiking, going to the beach. 2 characteristics that I possess when talking about instructional design that I think I currently have and will help me moving forward not only in this course but within my profession is the ability to identify instructional goals, whether we're talking about in physical education or in a baseball practice. I feel as if I do a very good job of determining what our end goal is and working back from that, which also ties hand in hand with my second characteristic of developing instructional strategy. I feel like both of these go hand in hand. By determining what the end goal is, that helps me develop an instructional strategy for the entire practice or the lesson going forward. It allows me to punch holes in potential issues that I see arising within the class. For instance, in physical education, I co-teach, so it's typically me and 2 other instructors, sometimes 3, and we're dealing with anywhere between 90 and 120 students at a time. So determining an appropriate end goal for the instruction and then working back from that, I think is very beneficial when we're talking about so many moving parts. That's it for me. Hopefully everybody is having a great, relaxing summer. We've gotten good weather here lately. Hopefully everybody's spending some time at the beach and enjoying a much-deserved time off with your families. Looking forward to learning not only with you, but from all of you for the duration of this course. Have a great day.